It started innocently enough. A little autocorrect here, a smart assistant there, just friendly little helpers easing our cognitive burden. Fast forward to today, and we're letting AI pick our outfits, write our cover letters, and finish our sentences. At this rate, the only thing we'll be deciding ourselves is what to binge on Netflix, unless the algorithm already knows we're in a sad-romantic-espionage-but-make-it-cozy mood. Call it innovation, call it progress, or just call it what it is: humanity's slow transition into glorified meat USB drives. Now, before we spiral into a Black Mirror monologue, let's be fair. AI is efficient, brilliant, and doesn't need coffee to be productive, unlike Steve from marketing, who's been power slouching since 2017. But efficiency comes at a price: our brain cells. You remember those, right? They used to help us do long division and recall our passwords before Chrome took over that job. Every time we ask an AI to summarize this article, one philosopher weeps quietly into their Plato manuscript. And let's talk about creativity. Once a sacred domain of human eccentricity, now diluted by prompt-engineered prose and synthetic Mozart symphonies. Sure, AI can paint like Van Gogh, write like Shakespeare, and probably roast you better than your closest friends. But hey, who needs authenticity when you've got endless content, curated in milliseconds and optimized for engagement? Just don't ask it to understand the emotional complexity of eating your feelings after a breakup. That's still uniquely human. Of course, some folks claim we're freeing up cognitive bandwidth. Adorable, as if we're suddenly using all that extra space to solve world hunger or decode quantum consciousness. No, we're just watching 10-second videos of raccoons stealing hot dogs while AI calculates our ideal sleeping position based on lunar tides. Our outsourced brains aren't doing the heavy lifting, they're mostly buffering. In the end, the AI revolution isn't just about technology, it's about handing over our thinking caps for novelty hoodies that say, "Just let GPT handle it." We're not losing intelligence, we're redefining it as knowing where to click. And who can blame us? Thinking is exhausting, overhyped, and completely overrated. So go ahead, delegate your next existential crisis to a chatbot. I'll be over here, having an emotionally intelligent meltdown, with absolutely no assistance.